Are you still manually adding the same torrent trackers to sonar, radar, and LiDAR one by one? It's a time-wasting nightmare. Today, we reveal how Prowlarr acts as a single powerful brain for all your indexers. Prowlarr is an intelligent indexer manager that supports both torrent trackers and Usenet indexers in one place. Instead of logging into 5 different apps to set up your search sources, you configure everything here. The real magic happens through seamless integration. Prowlarr syncs your indexers automatically to sonar, radar, and Mylar 3. This means you never have to duplicate the tedious setup process for every application. Beyond simple syncing, Prowlarr offers advanced configuration options. You can manage specific categories, set strict rate limits per app, and create custom profiles to ensure your media server only searches the sources it needs most. Let's look at a practical example, adding Torrentio. Once Prowlarr restarts, you go to the indexers page, click Add, select Torrentio, and crucially, input your real Debrid API key right in the index options for instant results. By centralizing this data aggregation, Prowlarr guarantees that every request you send out is efficient. You get complete management of your indexers with no per-app setup required, saving you hours of repetitive work. Ultimately, Prowlarr transforms how you handle your media library by providing one unified manager for all your RR apps. It turns a complex ecosystem into a streamlined, automated workflow that just works. Stop wasting time on manual configurations and unlock the full potential of your media server with Prowlarr. What is your favorite automation tool? Let us know in the comments below.